So the winner for tonight, after a very long night, and I need some light right now, is DJ Gregory! Congratulations, bro.
Thank you so much.
DJ Gregory.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Charlie, tell us how you feel right now, being the winner.
It was all a dream, so I'm like, yeah, I was expecting this and it happened, so I'm really happy. Yeah, yeah.
A quick one, run with you when you registered for the competition. What was the expectation?
So honestly, I saw myself as a winner. When I saw the flyer, I actually had it on radio. I was going for a gig at Alabama, and I had it on radio. The Uber was playing guide radio, so I had the ad, and I was like, no, I have to register for this because my chef for match like Charlie. The first say Gregory Day, you understand? So yeah, Charlie, I was expecting this and it happened. So yeah,
definitely, man.
I'm writing the exam as well, so I didn't even really prepare for this. So yeah.
Oh my God, man, yeah. Bro, yeah. Charlie, but tell us how you're able to even combine school and the DJ.
Yeah, DJing is my passion, and you know, in Ghana, everything is education. So I'm currently in NAFTI studying broadcast journalism, so I can match it with the DJing as well. So I do the DJing on weekends, and school is weekdays, Monday to Friday. So I make sure I have everything done before I go for my gigs. Yeah. So
okay, now let's talk about the 10,000 Ghana cedis. How much are you giving me?
How much do they want?
For me, I don't want to be greedy, so give me like 1K.
You will allow cash out.
Okay, I allow cash out. But guys, man, I'm very excited about this. You have 6 months residency at Guide 91.5 FM, and tell us this opportunity, how well you're going to utilize it.
So yeah, I'm still pushing the name Gregory. So with this 6-month residence in Guide Radio, I'm still going to make sure Gregory is going further, like it's going from Accra to wherever, yeah, straight. So yeah.
But tell us one thing that you've learned from this competition.
Yeah, don't underestimate anybody. Yeah, Charlie. I swear I didn't know.
Yeah,
Charlie. I didn't know Ray Khan would be second. Yeah, cause Charlie. Yeah, I was like, no, Ray Khan he the first, but man, Charlie, the guy he put through. Yeah, energy.
Right.
Yeah.
What would you say to the organizers of this event?
Thank you for organizing such an event. It's massive and it's a great initiative for upcoming DJs like myself. And I encourage them to do it every year. Yes.
This is actually the season 1. We're looking forward to a whole lot more. But finally, before I let you go, tell us to any DJ out there, what should they expect? What would be the advice that you give to them?
Yeah, well, keep doing you. You don't know when it will be your turn. Yeah. So yeah, Charlie, we started since 2014. Yeah, we've been playing small gigs, house parties, bedroom DJing. Like sometimes you even go, there's no money, but we still they go. So yeah, keep doing yourself and hard work pays.
Thank you very much for talking to us. Wish you all the best.
And I want to a big shout out to French Kids DJ, my godfather. Yeah, he actually forced me to do this as well. So yeah, I like him so much. Yeah.
Right, thank you very much for being part of this competition.